Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you mathematics of standard 4. In previous lecture, we completed 4th sum and now today 5th sum of this page number 30. It is given, think of a number which can be divided. Here it is given divide 2, 3 and 5 and comes between 25 and 50. When this type of sum is there, we have to multiply all the numbers, then we get the answer. So here 2, 3 and 5 is given, 2, 3 and 5 is given. When we multiply this number, then we get the number 2 3s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. So between 25 and 50, 30 is the number which comes between 25 and 50. 30, this number is there which comes between 25 and 50. Now, page number 31 to 33. Here, which boat do we take? Here now boating time is there and here some boats is given, some prices is given and some trip time is also given. And from this, we have to decide that which boat do we take. So here children now went for the boating. Question number 1. There are different kinds of boats. Each has a different ticket price and also different trip times. Answer the questions on the basis of it. Name of boat, ticket price and trip time. Some boats name is given. First boat is double decker. Ticket price is ₹30 and trip time is 45 minutes. Second paddle boat is there. ₹15 and 30 minutes time is there. Motor boat ₹25 and 20 minutes is there. Boat with horse, it is ₹15 and 45 minutes are there. Boating is there and different type of boats is there and price is also there and some trip time is also there. Different time is there, different price is there and different type of boats is there. So now from this price we have to find some questions and it is that question number 1. Indra and Bhanu first went in the motor boat. We know that price of the motor boat is 25 rupees. Price of the motor boat is 25 rupees. So first Indra and Bhanu, two students are there. First went in the motor boat and then took the oar boat. Price of the oar boat is 15 rupees. How much did they pay for both the boats? First of So here, motorboat is equal to 20 minutes, boat with oar is equal to 45 minutes, total 65 minutes is there. But we know that 1 hour 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. And so, if we want to divide them, 65 divided by 60, 60 ones are 60 and 5 is remaining. So here, 1 hour and 5 minutes. So if you want to write the answer, then 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So they enjoyed 1 hour and 5 minutes. They enjoyed their ride 1 hour and 5 minutes. 1 hour and how much time did they get for both rides? 1 hour and 5 minutes they got for both the rides. So this way our question number 2 is over. Now next question. Now second question. It is given that one group of children went for the double-decker train. They paid rupees 450 in total. How many children went for the double-decker train? We know that double-decker train rupees 30 is there. 30 rupees. So we have to write that if rupees then children. If rupees 30 is there, then 1 children. So if they paid 450 rupees, then how many children are there? 30 rupees paid, then 1 children is there. But in our question it is given 450 rupees they total paid. So 450 is equal to how much? Double decker trains 45 minutes is there, then ticket price is rupees 30. So 30 rupees paid, then 1 children is there. But they paid 450 rupees. It means how many children are there? First multiply, divide by 450 divided by 30. So here when we make that 0 got 45 divided by 3. Then we get 45 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 minus 1. Here 5. 3 5s are 15. How many children are there? 15 children. So we have to write 15 children went for trip. This double decker trip, they went 15 children. Now, third question. Which boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour? First of all, we have to write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, which boat makes 2 trips? 2 trips make them 30 minutes is there. 60 divided by 2, then 30 minutes. 30 minutes in a paddle boat. So we have to write paddle boat makes 2 trips because 30 into 2 is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So in total, paddle boat have 30 minutes and 2 trips. So 30 into 2 is equal to 60 minutes and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes because in question it is asked like 1 hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So this way, paddle boat in 1 trip 30 minutes, so in 2 trip 60 minutes are there. Next question, fourth question. Which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, so half hour is equal to 30 minutes. less than half an hour. So they say half hour is equal to 30 minutes and less than 30 minutes is equal to 20 minutes, and in 20 minutes motor got time which is less than half an hour. So motor got is the answer. Now next one. Now next question. Fifth one. Which boat gives them the most time taking less money? कम money, ज़्यादा time. So the boat with oars gives them the most time because it is 45 minutes and ticket price is ₹15. In all boats only 15 rupees is there, and in 15 rupees 45 minutes is there. Now next question. Javed went twice for boating. 2 times boating. Javed 2 times taking the boating. He paid total 40 rupees. He paid only 40 rupees and boated for 50 minutes. 50 minutes boating and 40 rupees paid. So which 2 boats did he take? 2 boats he take because twice 2 times boating is there. So 2 boat takes. Here it is given 40 rupees paid and 50 minutes spent the time. So first of all we find out that which 2 boats he take. So pedal boat is equal to 30 minutes and 50 rupees is there. Motor boat is equal to 20 minutes and 25 rupees is there. So 30 plus 20 minutes is equal to total 50 minutes is there, and 15 plus 25 minutes is equal to 40 rupees is there. This way children enjoy the boating and all the question about the boating is over. Now next. Hello everyone. Now next, page number 33, time to return. Now page number 33, time to return. Question number 1. Children enjoy different boat ride. In a previous question we find out that how many boats are there and boat riding is there. So children enjoy different boat rides till 4 o'clock. What is the time for this? 4 o'clock. It is time to return. Now they will not stop anywhere and reach back in 2 hours. How many times is there? 2 hours. So they should reach Hoshangabad by dash o'clock. They started their journey from Bhopal. 4 o'clock boat riding is there, and afterward 4 o'clock they started and not stop anywhere, and 2 hours take to reach the Hoshangabad. So answer part 4 o'clock plus 2 hours. It means 2 hours and is equal to 4 plus 2, 6 o'clock is the answer. What is the time for this? 6 o'clock. So our answer is 6 o'clock. They reach Hoshangabad. They started their journey 4 o'clock. 2 hours take for this. They not stop anywhere. And so 4 o'clock plus 2 hours is equal to 5 and 6. 6 o'clock they reach Hoshangabad. Now page number 34, find out. One question is given, find out. First question number 1. Have you ever been on a school trip? You enjoyed the school trip? How many children were there involved? How did you go and how far? How much time did it take? They try to find out cost of travel for each child. In one question, 3 or 4 questions are there. One by one we take one question and write the answer. First question. Have you ever been on a school trip? Yes. Yes. In recent vacation, have you ever been on a school there. How many children were there? So we have to write that there are 110 children in all. We went by bus. Second question is that how did you go and how far? We went by bus and it was 50 kilometers away. How much time did it take? It took 1.5 hours. Afterward, try to find out cost of travel for each child. The cost of travel for each child was rupees 150. This way, all the questions answered one by one we write here. Now, page number 34, another question is given, practice time. There is another question is given, practice time. In practice time, question number 1, there are 4 very old cave paintings. Mark the oldest. 4,200 years old, 1,000 years old, 8,500 years old, 1,300 years old. First of all, what is the biggest number? 4, 1, 8 or 1? So 8 is the biggest number and so it is oldest cave. So we tick mark C. 8,500 is the oldest cave painting. Now here second is given, one bus can carry 48 children. How many children can 3 buses carry? So in one bus 48, 48 into 3, 48 into 3, 3 eggs are 24, 4 here to carry, 4 3s are 12 and 2, 144. So here 8 3s are 24, 4 here to carry, 4 3s are 12 and 2, 144. So one bus can carry 48 children. How many children can 3 buses carry? Here 100, 200 and 150 is given. So we write the answer approximate 150. Not exactly, but approximate 150. Because 144 is closest to 150. 144 is closest to 150. So we have to write the answer C. 150. 144 is there and 144 is closest to 150. So we have to write the answer 150 because 144 is not given, option not given in our answer. So closest number we have to write and closest number is 150. Now which pair numbers add to make more than 500? Not exactly 500 but more than 500. 152 and 241 we check one by one number we take and check. 152 and 241. 2 plus 1 3, 5 plus 4 9 and 3 2 and 1 3. It is not more than, so this answer is wrong. A is wrong because it is not correct. We need more than 500. Now second number 321, 192. 3 here, 9 and 2 11, 1 carry. Yes. B number is 530. B number is 530. So it is more than 500. So we have to tick mark the option number B. This way, in practice time there is 1, 2 and 3 question is given. Now fourth one. Now question number 4. What happened at what time? Draw line and match. Here we write the correct answer because here one side it is incident is given and one side time is given. So exactly with the incident we write the correct time. So here you have to note down in your notebook this way only. First, crossed the Narmada bridge. They crossed the Narmada bridge 9:10 a.m. 9 hours and 10 minutes is there in the morning time. Afterwards, second, looked at Bhimbetka painting. They reached at the Bhimbetka and looked at the paintings. 11:30 a.m. in the morning time. 11 o'clock and 30 minutes is there. At the petrol pump. At what time they reached the petrol pump? 9:30 a.m. 9 o'clock and 30 minutes are there. Boating, fourth one. Boating in the lake. They are boating in the lake. It is 3 p.m. 3 o'clock. Had a lunch. They took their lunch. 12:30 p.m. Returned to Hoshangabad. They returned their home. 6 p.m. After 6 p.m. Afternoon. It is also afternoon and it is also afternoon. So this way we write the correct answer and incident. Which incident take on which time? It is write the correct answer and match the column. So this way our chapter number 3 is over. Now students, you listen me carefully. On coming Wednesday, it means on 29 day, 29 July, I want to take your class test of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. We completed 3 chapters, but I want to take your class test of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 only. So please prepare yourself chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 properly. For the chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, I want to give you some important questions, important things. So let us start revision of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 today onwards. So this revision also you have to note down in your notebook. Continue you have to note down this revision in your notebook. So let us start the revision of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Our class test date is 29 July on coming Wednesday. So you prepare yourself very well. Now question number 1, fill in the blanks. We start to fill in the blanks. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Revision of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. First blank, a brick has 12 edges. When we draw the picture of a brick, at that time some lines are there and these lines is called edges. It is 12 edges. Afterward, a brick has 6 faces. When we draw the picture of a brick, 3 faces we can see front side and 3 faces back side. So there are total 6 faces are there. 10,000 means 1,000. 10,100 means 1,000. Now fourth one, adding 1 to the given number, we get the just succeeding number. If given number is there and when we add 1 to the given number, we get just the succeeding number. Fifth one, subtracting 1 from the given number, we get the just preceding number. If we minus, if given number is there and we subtract, we minus 1, then we get just a preceding number. Now, succeeding means after number. Succeeding means after number and preceding means before number. So we want the before number, then we minus 1, and if we want to find out after number means succeeding number, then we add 1. Now next one, sixth one, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Now seventh one, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Eighth one, centimeter is written as cm in short. If centimeter you have to write in short, then it is cm. Ninth one, meter is written as m in short. If meter you have to write in short, then we have to write m. Now next one, 10th one, kilometer. Kilometer is written as km in short. If kilometer we have to write in short, then we have to write km. Kilometer we have to write in short km. 11th one, if present age of Falguni is 12 years and then before 4 years her age is dash years. Before age, before means minus. Before means minus. If after is there, then plus. So before 4 years means 12 minus 4, then we get 8 years. The shape of brick is rectangle. There are two measures is given in figure. It is called 2D picture. Length and breadth. 2 dimension is given. 2D means 2 dimension. 2 measure is given. Length and breadth. It is called 2 dimension picture. 2D picture. There are 3 measures. 3 measures is given in a figure. It is called 3D picture. It means length, breadth and height. So L, B and H. 3 dimension is there. 3 measures is there. So it is called 3D picture. 3 dimension means 3D picture. Now next one, 15th one, 3 sides figure. 3 sides figure is called triangle. 3 sides figure is called triangle. 4 sides figure is called square. If there is a 4 same sides are there, then it is called square. In square there is a all the sides is called length. All the sides is called length. Now next, 17 blanks. Arrangement of bricks is called pattern. When arrange the bricks and make a beautiful design, it is called pattern. If 5 lines figure, it is called pentagon. If in a figure there is a 5 lines, then it is called pentagon. If 6 lines figure, it is called hexagon. If in a figure there is a 6 lines, it is called hexagon. A rectangle has opposite side measure is equal, means length and length, breadth and breadth. Two opposite side is equal. Here this and these 2 sides are equal and this and these 2 sides are equal. If 8 lines figure, it is called octagon. If in a figure there is 8 lines is there, it is called octagon. In a wall, brick arrangement and make window pattern is called jarukha. Jarukha means one type of window is there, but this window is made with the brick pattern. If arrange the bricks in this way, that it looks like a window and it is called jarukha. 100,000 means, if 100,000 is there, then 100,000 means 1 lakh. If 100,000 is there, then it is called 1 lakh. 100 and afterward 1000 means 3 zeros again, so it is 1 lakh. Now 24, the place where the bricks made is called kiln. Long and short, these 2 words are used for compare. If we want to make the comparison, then long and short 2 words are used. The distance between the length of 2 things or place, measured and compare. If we want to measure and compare, then difference between the distance of distance and length of 2 things are there or 2 places are there, then only we have to compare. When we compare 2 things or place, one short and another is long. If we want to make the comparison, then one is short and one is long. A line has no ends. A line has no end points. Means line is infinite both the sides. Infinite means endless. There is no end point is there. Infinite both the sides. Symbol of line is this, arrow of both the sides. Ray has one end point. Symbol of ray is this, origin. This is the origin point, and I extend this side. One side it is extend, and one is origin point. Origin point means starting point. Origin point means starting point. If we write this here, then we give the symbol AB. Here we start A and end with origin point is A and extend with B. 32. Half meter is equal to 50 centimeter. Half kilometer is equal to 500 meters. If half kilometer is there, half meter is equal to 50 centimeter. If there is a half meter is equal to 50 centimeter, half kilometer is equal to 500 meters. The Qutub Minar is 72 meters high. And 35, the mason arranged bricks and made different jali pattern on the wall. So this way our 35 fill in the blanks is over. Thank you very much.